Sometimes, when the world's not on your side, you don't know where to run to, you don't know where to hide. You gain.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Mohammad Miran Khan. I just graduated this fall semester and my major was in automotive systems engineering. I wanted to share some study tips that can be useful in your upcoming semester. Let's start with the first one, study space. Everyone is different, whether you prefer having background noises, music, or complete silence. Think about the kind of atmosphere you feel comfortable in, but not so comfortable that you find yourself falling asleep. If you are someone who enjoys a change, try varying your study spaces. Other people might enjoy having a set routine. In either case, find what works best for you. Resources. UM Dearborn wants to help new students succeed by providing you with the tools to develop a solid educational foundation and programming you to support whether you are a freshman, transfer, or a graduate student. Whether it's meeting an academic advisor, studying in the library, the university has resources all students can utilize on the path to success. I've added a link to the description for the study website. Apart from university, we in MSA have career building events, brother and sister meetings and halakas, game nights and fall and winter socials. These can be useful tools to meet like-minded people and de-stress yourself. There are other fellow brothers and sisters in MSA to help you in your study endeavors. Next is exercise. It's easy to only think about your mental health while focusing on study habit, but studying without physical exercise will only wear you down. You can't study as smart as you want when your body is not ready for it. It appears every college student is extremely stressed and sleep deprived. Exercising regularly will help you improve your thinking skills and give you more energy. Schedule. As most of the students at UM Dearborn works while studying, a study plan can be used to organize a schedule outlining study times and learning goal. Just like with work or school schedules, college students should develop a schedule that sets aside dedicated time each week for studying. These schedules include dates of quiz, tests, exams, as well as deadlines for papers and projects. At last, I want to conclude that don't just study smarter and never procrastinate. And I would like to thank UMD MSA for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts, experiences, and advice for my fellow Wolverines. And best of luck with your upcoming semesters and your careers. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sometimes, when the world's not on your side, you don't know where to run to, you don't know where to hide. You gain.